Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome and I hope you all are doing well. So today we're going to be making a beautiful knotless box braid with coily ends. So with that said, let's go straight into the video. So I've already started by sectioning of the hair. So first thing I did after sectioning of the hair, I apply hair cream to her hair. So right now I'm going ahead to make a section for the box braid. Okay, so after making the section, the next step now, I'm going in with the edge control and I'm going to be applying that on the root of the hair first before starting the braid. So before adding the braiding hair, I'm going to start with our hair. So I'm starting with a natural hair. First, making sure to have a firm grip on the root of the hair before going ahead to add in the first piece of braiding hair. So right here, I'm going ahead to add in the first piece of braiding hair. And right now, I'm making sure to rotate the braiding hair under her natural hair. So I'm going in to add the second piece, doing the same thing, making sure to rotate the braiding hair under her natural hair. So this will help to hide the color of the braiding hair at the base of the braid. So I'm going in with the third piece of braiding hair. So after securing the third piece in place, I'm going to switch from rotating the braiding hair under a hair. So right now I'm going to be rotating a hair, a natural hair color under the braiding hair. So this will give you the beautiful ombre transition from the root to the braiding hair. So right now, as you can see, I'm making sure each time I pass the hair over and make sure to rotate her hair under the braiding hair. And also, I'm not braiding the hair all the way to the tip, so I'm going to be braiding it a little bit past where her natural hair ends. So next, I'm going to tie a knot to secure the braid in place. Okay, so if you're new to my channel and you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, so this will let YouTube know that you like the video and they will share the video to other people. Thank you. Okay, so again, after adding the third piece of hair or the third strands of braiding hair, I switch to rotating her natural hair color under the braiding hair to help hide her hair under the braiding hair, as you can see right here. As you can see, the base of the braid is laying flat, so this is what you want for your box braid. Look at that. That's beautiful. I love the blue color. Look at that. Is that beautiful? As the transition from the black to the blue color is just perfect. So as you can see right there, braid a little bit, making sure to flip a hair under the braiding hair. Just like that. Look at that beautiful transition from the root to the body of the braid. That's just perfect. Beautiful. So again, like I said earlier, I'm not braiding the hair all the way down to the tip of the hair. I braid a little bit past where her natural hair ends, and then I tie a knot to secure the braid in place. So this is it right here. So right now I'm just going ahead to show you a clip of me tying the hair, securing the braid in place. All right. Okay, so moving on to the next step, this is the part where I'm going to be prepping the hair for the dipping, for the hot water dip. I'm just going ahead to pick the section, making sure to match them up. The points where I tie the hair, make sure to match them up, and then I put them into mini ponytails. You can see right here. So right now I'm going to be using the string to coil the hair. So I'm using the string or thread method for the coiling process. I started by securing the string on the hair, as you can see right there. So next I'm going to be wrapping it around the hair by spacing it out a little bit. So right there, just wrapping it around and giving it space, so it should look like this. So now I'm going to be pushing it down towards the base. Right there. So next I'm going to be securing the end of it in place by wrapping the thread around the tip of the hair and also tying a knot to secure it in place. So right there, I'm going to hit tie a knot. Perfect. Oh yes, before wrapping the string around the hair, I make sure to brush the hair through to make sure it's tangle free before going ahead to wrap the string around the hair. So you want to make sure to brush it properly. So this is it right here. So now it's time to dip it in hot water. So next right here, I'm going ahead to dip it in hot water. Please be careful. Do not burn yourself. Do not burn your client. Okay. So you want to make sure to have 2 towels, one to put over the shoulder and the other one to dry the excess water. Okay, so next I'm going in with the scissors to cut off the tip of the hair so that way I can unravel the coils. So usually I will let the hair air dry completely before going ahead to separate the hair. As you can see right here, it's not completely dry. The hair is still wet. We are running out of time. It's late. She needs to go home. So yeah, if you have enough time, you need to let the hair air dry completely first before going ahead to unravel or separate the coils. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of today's video. This is the final result right here. Look at that, beautiful. Alright guys, so this is it. As always, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below. Let me know what you think of the style, and also share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you all in my next video.